saving millions in energy costs every year. A dream come true for any hospital. The University Hospital Bonn, Germany has already achieved this. An important step forward for a total energy consumption that can be compared to that of a town with 15,000 households. We have taken an intensive approach to energy savings through various measures. And I believe that one outstanding project is indeed that of combined heat and power generation units that we have installed here in 2016. They have made a very significant contribution to the fact that we have a much improved primary energy factor. This means we generate heat and electricity in a very efficient way. We have calculated that we actually save 8,000 tons of CO2 every year, and that is quite a considerable contribution. The more that modern equipment is used for medical care, the more electricity is needed. So the systems must work together very well. In this case, that means that we are considering how can we improve cold production. CHP units can also make a positive contribution here, for example, by producing cold via the heat generation by the CHP units. In terms of development, we need to bring all this into a good system that works together.
Das alles müssen wir hinsichtlich der Entwicklung in ein gutes System bringen, dass eben das Zusammenwirken auch funktioniert.
Therefore, the systems are digitally controlled from a central location. This means that failures and malfunctions can be seen and corrected immediately. To implement the combined heat and power plant project, the UKB brought a contractor on board, an energy company that takes responsibility from planning to technical implementation and financing.
The advantages for an institution like this hospital is that, for example, in the first place, we can clear an existing investment backlog without releasing additional budgets. So that's the first thing. That's a huge advantage because the investment can be taken in other areas of the hospital, and the contractor is able to bring the investment into the project, and we refinance the investment by the energy savings. That's the first thing. And the other thing is that we also provide an energy saving guarantee. So if we do not achieve the targets we wanted to provide to the customer, then we have to provide a cashback to the customer. So there he has the guarantee that he can calculate with his numbers.
Projects like the one at UKB also have attractive aspects for the contractor.
One of the main advantages is that we can provide our own energy concepts. That means we do not have to link to tender specifications in detail that a pipe has to be like this big or we have to use that kind of refrigeration machine. It's more that we can provide a solution for the target, which is energy efficiency. So we can develop our own energy concept, which competes to other contractors or other competitors which take part of the tender procedure. The other advantage is that we participate on the energy savings. That means the more energy savings we're generating, the more we can participate.
To further promote sustainability, UKB is participating in the German Click Green project. 250 hospitals and rehabilitation facilities are working together to promote the climate and have set themselves ambitious goals.
Nachhaltigkeit geht natürlich deutlich über das hinaus einfach.
Of course, sustainability goes far beyond simply saving energy. We are just now also in the medical field, in the field of purchase, in the field of waste disposal, in all sectors. We look meanwhile at what we can achieve there, and I believe that a high degree of dynamism has been created here, so that each area is developing ideas to improve its own work in terms of resource conservation and sustainability. And that is actually something where we inspire and promote each other. And of course, I also hope that this really leads to projects that can make a significant contribution.
Auch wirklich in Projekte weiter mündet, die halt ganz erheblich auch einen Beitrag